Hello everyone, my name is Shinji and I'm from Japan. My topic is, what does success really mean? Success is an easy vocabulary to spell, however, it is a difficult word to define clearly. I have two different definitions about this. Firstly, my idea of success is when you try something new and if you fail, experience indirectly leads to something else that could be useful and effective. In my experience, I have tried many things in my life, but most of the time I fail. You may feel disappointed and discouraged at that time, but the experience you gain from those challenges will often be useful when you try something new and pursue again until you achieve it. For example, in my case, unfortunately, I failed a certain English exam in Japan 5 times, and that was so devastating. And for me, it was really hopeless. But with my strong determination and the unending support from my loved ones, I was able to pass the exam on my 6th time. And giving up will never be my option. Moreover, it pushes me to study a lot, and the knowledge I obtained was very helpful for me to learn English and to continue my journey both as a student and a person. For my second definition, I believe success is how much genuine happiness you can feel. For most people, it means making a lot of money or accomplishing something difficult. However, each person is born and raised in a different environment with different values and circumstances. For example, some grew up in wealthy families, others in poor families. In fact, some children always say they want to grow up first and want to make money. But adults say they want to go back to their school days because life was just much easier and simpler. And company employees also say owners or CEOs are the only ones who can make a lot of money. But from their point of view, company employees are better off because there is no risk, they have time off, they get paid, and they do not have to go into big and heavy debt. Another common example is people who are single say they won't get married soon. But those who are married say they envy the freedom they had when they were not married. So they prefer the single life. As you can see, people have lots of differences and preferences. So happiness comes in different colors. In conclusion, perseverance and authentic happiness are some of the key ways to know and feel the true meaning of success. Thank you very much.